Alright guys, big updates coming in with regard to your travel from India to Canada. So if you have been waiting to travel to Canada in the coming few days or in these these recent few days, then you must be aware of these recent announcements that have been made by the border security, IRCC, Justin Trudeau and all of them. We are covering all those announcements in this video today. Please be tuned till the end. Alright guys, so welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there, but right now I'm traveling to India. So if you have to get in touch with me, please make a note of my Canadian number for WhatsApp and my Indian number for a quick regular phone call conversation. Guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration, and if you are an aspirant for Canada, then you must be following this channel very closely. Guys, what we are discussing today is an important topic because Indian immigrants, Indian students and everybody, they represent a major chunk of people who reach Canada for temporary and permanent resident visas. Now, what really is happening nowadays is that due to COVID, there have been a lot of restrictions in place already. We all know about the famous 3-day hotel quarantine, wherein people who are going to Canada need to quarantine at a hotel at their own cost, which can run up to $2,000. And then if they are found positive during that stay, they might have to extend the stay for another 11 days at that hotel or maybe another facility, but all at the cost of the traveler only. So what happened was, all of this was going on, but still there were a lot of people who were exempt from the travel restrictions, because on a blanket level, not anybody can just randomly go to Canada. You need to be exempt from the travel restrictions. So let's say if you had a visa like a visitor visa or maybe any other visa, you would just not buy a ticket and or be on a flight to Canada. You would be exempt from the travel restrictions. So in this recent announcement on the 20th of April, the public safety minister announced, Bill Blair, he announced that the restrictions have been extended until 21st of May 2021, which means, broadly speaking, the travel restrictions have been extended up until 21st of May. Also, this extension does include the hotel quarantine period as well. So the initial 3-day period which you had to spend in a hotel quarantine, the hotel had to be approved by IRCC or the Government of Canada. That particular requirement still remains intact. So all the restrictions have now been extended until 21st of May, and there have been other announcements by Justin Trudeau as well. He was speaking on a virtual press conference that now during these COVID pandemic crisis, and obviously the second wave of COVID-19 coming in India, it's I think it's the third wave now, but yes, with the mutant COVID virus that's coming in, everybody is very concerned. So we already got to know this morning that US, UK, Hong Kong, Pakistan, all of them have banned Indian flights. Now Canada has also put a good thought, and the Prime Minister has put a word to it in that press conference, saying that they are considering banning Indian flights, like all the flights coming from India to Canada, in the light of this new strain of COVID virus that has been coming in. So guys, we are still awaiting a final confirmation on that from the Prime Minister or any other Canadian sources. But for now, what we are sure about is that the travel restrictions continue to be in place, which includes not everybody can randomly travel to Canada. There are some people who are exempted from the travel, like international students studying at colleges under the COVID-19 readiness list, some foreign workers, permanent residents, family members, all of that. So there's an exhaustive list. Just see if you are exempted under a travel, and once you plan to travel, there is a special checklist that you need to follow, along with the hotel quarantine period which you need to take care of if you are traveling to Canada. Guys, I hope the flights that are under the consideration of a ban, they don't come into place, because I'm also traveling pretty soon. Let's see what comes into picture, because I'm following this very closely myself. But whatever is the update, we will get to know very soon, and I will be definitely up on YouTube and any other channel to share with you what is the update. Once again, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, if you'd like to discuss your personal situation with me, please feel free to book a consultation. My Canadian number for WhatsApp is on this screen. My Indian number for a regular call while I'm traveling to India is also there. Please make a note of it. And it was lovely chatting with you. I hope to see you soon in Canada, and all the best.